Hi everyone, you're just in time for another great story. Monsters Love Underpants, written by Claire Freedman, illustrated by Ben Court. Monsters think it's monster fun to creep around all scary, but there's something they love even more than looking mean and hairy. Monsters all love underpants and think pants are fantastic. They like all patterns, shapes, and styles, and twanging pants elastic. Some prowl through dingy dungeons, oh, you hear them howling loudly. Creak, one finds squeaky armor pants and clanks around so proudly. Drool monsters from the steamy swamp fill pants with gooey slime, but whoops, their pants get slippery and slide down all the time. Wild woolly mountain monsters make explorers faint with fright. Clomp, they snatch their frozen pants, then run off in the night. At the bottom of the ocean, a pirate ship now rests, where sea monsters wear pants with jewels they've pinched from treasure chests. The spiky, spooky space monsters all wave and roar hooray, when out from blackest, deepest space, bright bloomers float their way. It's not the sand inside his pants that makes this monster twitchy. His underpants are way too small. I wish they weren't so itchy. It's Saturday, their disco night. They wear pants bold and brave. The password, shh, is wobbly pants to get inside the cave. The monsters show their pants off as they dance the monster bop. Their pants-clad bottoms jig and jive till someone yells out, "Stop!" It's almost daylight, quick, back home. We can't risk being spotted, for no one will be scared of us in pants all striped and dotted. So if you hear strange scuffles from beneath your bed, beware. You might just catch a monster trying on your snazzy pair. Thanks for joining me today. Check out these links for more great stories. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe.